run the same code on my end. So I'm going to start with this activate script. So if this activate script, first I'm going to find out if this already exists. So I'm going here and I see this activate. It's indeed program data Anaconda activate 3 and I see that it already exists. Now I'm going to try to run it in a normal command prompt to see if I can activate it. And it runs without an error and I'm into base. Once I'm in base, life is easy because then everything I can do, everything I can run. So this is, if we can make this step work, then our life would be easy. And this is a normal CMD. This is not an Anaconda CMD. Now, when I go here, the thing that I wanted is select Python interpreter. For that, I have selected this D program file conda. It asks me to select interpreter to start Jupyter session. It's the same program beta Anaconda 3 Python. And once these two are done, I can select interpreter. I can create a new blank Jupyter notebook. And once I do that, I can run anything that I want into this notebook. And I'll show you. So the problem is if we are not able to activate that thing in a normal command window and activate this base. So if you're not able to run this activate, which means that something is wrong with the installation. So when we install this, we should get a very big folder of Anaconda 3 and all the scripts. So maybe somewhere where we installed it, I don't see so many files. I remember that only there are 20-30 files in your installation. Let's try to fix that and then maybe